Right, Craig, my car's not starting. Should I book a new MOT?
Right, so I'm assuming we're saying your car won't start and you're going for your MOT. So first things first, guys, always out of courtesy, just give the MOT garage a ring and let them know you're not going to make that appointment, because so often MOT testers are stuck on a strict timetable where one test comes off the ramp, the next test comes straight on. If the next test is after you is already waiting, obviously they can bring that forward and just better serve the rest of the customers without your delay. Likewise, yes, you are still going to need to get it MOT'd. We do need it to start to MOT it, so get it running first, yeah?